Are you making these skincare mistakes? Don't stress, I've got your back. In this video, I'll break down some common habits that might be sabotaging your glow and show you how to fix them for your best skin ever. Let's dive in.
DIY skincare sounds fun and budget-friendly. But let's be real, most of it doesn't have preservatives, which means bacteria, mold, and risky results. Yikes! Trust me, sticking to products made by the pros will save your skin and your time. You know those harsh scrubs that feel like sandpaper? Yeah, your skin hates them too. Instead, go for something gentle, like Tatcha Rice Polish. Your face will thank you. I know the golden glow is tempting, but trust me, tanning is a fast track to DNA damage and wrinkles. Skip the tan, embrace your natural beauty, and don't forget to slather on that SPF before heading out. Petroleum jelly is a skincare lifesaver, but only if you use just a little. Focus on dry spots, not your whole face, unless you're going for the glazed donut look. Less is more. Cold water is like a mini wake-up call for your skin. It reduces puffiness, tightens pores, and gives you that just refreshed look. But here's the trick. Finish with lukewarm water to properly cleanse and always lock in moisture after. Easy peasy. And there you have it.
5 habits to help your skin look its absolute best in 2025. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe. Cheers to your best skin yet.